Fortunately, it will never get closer than 1 billion miles from the Sun, which is slightly farther from Earth than Saturn. That will be in 2031. Comets, among the oldest objects in the Solar System, are icy bodies that were unceremoniously tossed out of the Solar System in a gravitational pinball game among the massive outer planets, said David Jewitt. This huge one, called Comet C 2014 UN 271 and discovered by astronomers Pedro Bernardinelli and Gary Bernstein, could be as large as 85 miles across. This comet is literally the tip of the iceberg for many thousands of comets that are too faint to see in the more distant parts of the Solar System, Jewitt said. We've always suspected this comet had to be big because it is so bright at such a large distance. Now we confirm it is. This comet has the largest nucleus ever seen in a comet by astronomers. Its mass is estimated to be 500 trillion tons, 100,000 times greater than the mass of a typical comet found much closer to the Sun. This is an amazing object, given how active it is when it's still so far from the Sun, said lead author Manta Wei, who earned his doctorate from UCLA in 2019 and is now with the Macau University of Science and Technology in Taipa, Macau. The comet is now less than 2 billion miles from the Sun and in a few million years will loop back to its nesting ground in the Oort cloud, Jewitt said. Comet C 2014 UN 271 was first serendipitously observed in 2010, when it was 3 billion miles from the Sun. Since then, it has been intensively studied by ground and space-based telescopes. The challenge in measuring this comet was how to determine the solid nucleus from the huge dusty coma, the cloud of dust and gas, enveloping it. The comet is currently too far away for its nucleus to be visually resolved by Hubble. Instead, the Hubble data show a bright spike of light at the nucleus location. Wei and his colleagues next made a computer model of the surrounding coma and adjusted it to fit the Hubble images. Then, they subtracted the glow of the coma, leaving behind the nucleus. Wei and his team compared the brightness of the nucleus to earlier radio observations from the Atacama Large Millimeter, Sub-Millimeter Array, or ALMA, in Chile. This means the Solar System's largest structure is all but invisible, Jewitt said. Manta Wei, David Jewitt, Liang Yu, Max J. Muchler. Hubble Space Telescope detection of the nucleus of Comet C 2014 UN 271, Bernardinelli Bernstein. https://ift. tt. x2 co wu z. Accessed April 12, 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.